Hi, this is Electronics. This is the second part of the mini video series of speaker restoration and modernization. In this video I will continue to work on the speaker and also I will build an amplifier for it. I drilled a hole on the speaker box for the bass reflex tube. If you are an expert with working wood, then you recognize that I used a drill bit for steel, with which the drilling took almost 3 hours. Yeah, it was a mistake, let's just forget that. After installing the bass reflex tube and the speaker box was ready. I could start to work with the amplifier. First of all, I took out everything from the PSU box, as seen in the previous video. Here you can check it out. The old on-off button will be replaced with this new one. The voltage switch will be disconnected and won't be used. This is the new power supply circuit for the amplifier. It is a simple bridge rectifier circuit with capacitors. Here I show you a picture of the PCB for this simple circuit. The amplifier uses TDA2030A in bridge configuration. You can see a detailed video here about the circuit. Using my safety gloves, I had connected the power supply to the breadboard circuit and I did some tests. When the circuit was functional, I started to work on the box. Here's the PSU box on which I made the modifications. I've installed the RCA connectors and the potentiometer. I've also soldered together the ground legs of the RCA connectors, where I will solder the ground wire. This is the volume knob that I place on the potentiometer. Using my tapping bit, I make thread in the box so I can fix the circuits to the box with screws. When using tapping bit, you must turn 360 degrees and turn back 180 so the metal chips can break and come out. When one thread is ready, I test it with a screw. Next, I put in every component in the box and using screws I fix them to their place. One important thing is to connect the mains ground wire to the box, otherwise it would be dangerous to touch it. This green wire is fixed to the box with a screw. This will be soldered to the ground. On this picture you can see the PCB of the amplifier circuit. Here's the finished amplifier box. Now you can see everything installed and ready to be used. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you want to see more videos like this.